Hello, welcome to another podcast of Master Investor. Glad to be here on another valuable talk on money, business, and investing. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company and the brain here at Master Investor. Welcome if you're new. Subscribe to our podcast and, of course, follow us on all the other social media platforms. We are publishing daily content on business so that our community can take advantage of the free content that we have available. And, of course, click the link in the description to access our digital courses and ebooks that we offer on our website. Okay, we have how to build cash flow with the internet, turn passive income on. We also have the 10-year rules of money and how to invest in crypto to build wealth. We're working on our fourth book, and every time we write a book, we turn it into a digital course because we are ongoingly updating that course, adding more valuable assets into that digital course so that it emphasizes ultimately back into the subject of the book. So if you're interested in creating sales on autopilot and learning how to position yourself to create true wealth, understanding the new rules of money, the business principles of working all economies, and how to successfully build the asset column with assets that we control with our companies 100% so that we can collect passive income and capital gains income. Okay, we're going to show you exactly how to have the wealthy mindset, how to acquire the wealth by applying everything that we're learning through our podcasts and our courses and our financial education that we're investing in, right? You can pick different asset classes that exist right now and focus on building those. And then as you grow your wealth, you can diversify among the other asset classes that exist. Today's topic is going to be the roadmap to the first million building passive income streams through online sales. Today is February 15, 2024, mastering the art of acquiring cash flow and assets. Today's golden rule is the wealthy focus on the asset column. In order to make $1 million in a year, we will have to make in profit after all expenses are paid every single day, $2,739 and some change. Okay, that will be the figure per day. It's not that much when we break it down, right? So that means that either we have to sell a product that will bring us that much on autopilot, and there are high ticket items out there that you can create sales funnels for. You can position the right marketing ads that will bring in that amount just on one sale. So it depends on the item in which we're selling and promoting. So on clickbank.com you can find many different products that we can promote for free, right? For free mean that we can partner up with that company for free. They give us the marketing tools, they give us the hook link, and all we have to do is send traffic to that, and then we take care of that through paid traffic and organic traffic. We can do videos, we can do forums, we can create a blog for free, and then just promote content related to the product that we are offering. And we begin to collect leads on a daily basis. But the idea of doing this is that we set up systems so that we don't have to be there in the middle to make the money, right? We want to have businesses, real assets. If it's not making money whenever we're not working, then it's not an asset. It has to make money whenever we're not working, because a sound business is a system of systems. So if you're bringing in 2 sales, 3 sales per day, right, on an item that is $500 to $1,000, then you can get close to that figure right there. And we show you how easy it is to position ourselves by creating a landing page as step number 1. Step number 2 is have an email autoresponder connected to that capture page. And step 3 is to do targeted traffic to that capture page, right? We need to send traffic to that capture page, and that capture page is offering a product that we picked from either an affiliate partner, or we created our own product, or we're doing drop shipping, white label. We show you how to do it on our live streams on YouTube, on our YouTube channel. So you're welcome to go over there, because we're doing a live stream every single day. So you may want to take advantage of all the data that we're given. At the end of the day, is there for everybody to take. Okay. In the dynamic world of e-commerce, the dream of reaching our first million in sales may seem like a daunting task. However, with the right strategy and mindset, it is entirely possible to achieve this milestone, and even more so. to do it on autopilot. In today's talk, we will delve into the roadmap for creating our first million in sales online, all while maximizing passive income streams. Number one, niche selection and market research. The foundation of any successful online business begins with identifying a profitable niche. Conduct thorough market research to understand consumer needs, pain points, and purchasing behavior within our chosen niche. Look for untapped opportunities or undeserved segments where we can offer unique value. Number two, product development or sourcing. Once we have identified our niche, it is time to develop or source products that meet the needs and desires of our target audience. Whether we are creating our own products or sourcing from suppliers, focus on offering high quality and demand items that align with our brand and resonate with our audience. Number three, e-commerce platform setup. Choose a reliable e-commerce platform that suits our business model and goals. Whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or Amazon FBA, ensure that our chosen platform offers the features and functionality we need to manage inventory, process orders, and optimize sales conversions. Number four, optimize website and sales funnels. Invest time and resources into creating a user-friendly website and sales funnel that guides visitors through the buying process seamlessly. Optimize product pages for search engines, implement persuasive copywriting and compelling visuals, and streamline the checkout process to minimize friction and maximize conversions. Number five, implement marketing automation. To achieve autopilot sales, leverage marketing automation tools and strategies to drive traffic and convert leads into customers. Utilize email marketing, social media advertising, content marketing, and search engine optimization, or also known as SEO, to attract and engage our target audience constantly. Number six, build a brand and customer loyalty. Focus on building a strong brand identity and fostering customer loyalty through exceptional product quality, outstanding customer service, and personalized engagement. Encourage repeat purchases and referrals by offering loyalty programs, exclusive discounts, and VIP perks to incentivize customer retention. Number seven, scale and expand. As our online sales grow, reinvest profits into scaling and expanding our business. Explore opportunities for diversifying our product offerings, expanding in new markets or channels, and optimizing our operations for efficiency and scalability. Number eight, outsource and delegate. To maintain momentum and free up our time, consider outsourcing and delegating tasks that can be handled by third-party professionals or automation tools. Now we have AI, and we can use that to our advantage to automate the entire process, where we literally are only overseeing the operations in our asset column. As we continue to build more assets or acquire and buy more assets, then we have more freedom because we can acquire more things, right? We have excess of cash flow. Whether it's a customer service, order fulfillment, or marketing campaigns, outsourcing allow us to focus on high-level strategic initiatives and grow opportunities. Number nine, monitor and iterate. Continuously monitor key performance metrics and analyze data to identify areas for improvement and optimization. Test different strategies, campaigns, and tactics to refine our approach and maximize ROI, or known return on investment. By staying agile and adaptable, we can stay ahead of competition and sustain long-term growth. Number 10, celebrate milestones and successes. Finally, don't forget to celebrate our achievements along the way. Reaching our first million in sales is a significant milestone that deserves recognition and celebration. Take pride in our accomplishments and use them as motivation to continue pushing forward towards even greater success. In conclusion, creating our first million sales online is a challenging yet achievable goal. with the right strategy and execution. By focusing on niche selection, product development, e-commerce platform setup, marketing automation, brand building, scaling, outsourcing, and continuous improvement, we can build passive income streams that generate sales on autopilot. With dedication, perseverance, and a commitment to excellence, we can turn our entrepreneurial dreams into reality and embark on the path to financial freedom and abundance. I appreciate you being here today. Hope you learned a lot on today's talk. It is all about understanding how to build our asset column with the tools that we have available right now. The systems, they don't need to be created unless you want to create a software and then sell that software. That could be how you become a millionaire, right? Because if we can serve 1 million people and we're making $1 on profit on each product, then that's $1 million. So think of how to solve other people's problems. That's a way that we can become wealthier, just by being more generous, okay? So, but don't forget, it's all about understanding how to create sales on autopilot while we're sleeping, so that we can create at least $2,739 per day and reach that $1 million on positive cash flow per year. Okay, that is an amazing thing, because it's how we make that money. It's through our assets, meaning that we have business or several businesses running to make us that type of money. Okay, and that business could be as simple as one ebook that we created. It could be a digital course, a tutorial. It could be a recipe that if you're a chef, or if you're, if you have a skill that you could share with the world, you can package it if you want to create your own product. However, if you want to sell other people's products, then that's also great too, right? It's all about learning how to sell without selling, using systems and smart marketing. Take advantage of our digital course, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On. Click the link in the description. Let us know if you have any questions. I'll see you inside of our inner circle, bring you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Talk to you on the next podcast. Thank you for being part of Master Investor community and keeping it working by sharing and investing in your financial education here with us. Our mission is to elevate the financial well-being of humanity through high-quality financial education made simple. We're looking for opportunities to build passive income and true wealth. Stay extraordinary and wealthy. Bye for now.